dust
Ah,
flying.
hit me with a rock! I'm in the no-no spot.
There's Gavin over here. He's racing the RC car today. See Gavin? Oh yeah. Let's get out here. That cloud of dust over there is actually the car. Bring it up close, Gavin. Bring it up close and do a donut. Control it.
He doesn't know how to control it.
Here it comes.
Nope.
Nope.
It's hard to control it on the same.
But now give it so much throttle.
Come on, go hit my dirt mound.
Yeah, that's it. Get it going straight. Get it going straight and then floor it once it gets going straight. Yeah. Bring it up close. Okay, bring it in. All right. Eat some dust. Now come across and then hit that bank right there and do a jump. Over here. Over here. Right where Blake's at. Bring it in. Right. Get it going straight. Hit it hard. Oh no, you turned.
Well, I didn't.
Alright, bring it around. He's mowing the grass with it. Look out, he's mowing the grass. Don't hit the garbage can. Crazy driver. Look at that. Look out, Blake, he's in reverse. Boy, these boys don't know how to drive. Eat some dust. My glasses are dusting over.
Oh.